Garmat, AutoQuip, and Wedge Clamp booth. I'm here with Mark from Wedge Clamp. Mark.
Good morning, Sam. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Awesome. All right. So tell us, what are you showcasing here at this collaborative booth?
So we've got a few different products here. We've got our Electro Power over there, which is a battery-operated porta-power that pushes and pulls 5 tons. Really nice little tool. We've got our Fusion Plus plastic welding station.
Yeah.
The only station on the market right now that does not require nitrogen. All it requires is a 110 voltage plug in the wall, and you're welding away.
Yeah.
And then we've got our anti-static gun, our stat gun, and then our nitro heat, which is a nitrogen spray painting system, and our chainless anchoring systems, the Wedge Clamp product. Yeah.
Okay. So do you want to give us a demo of the Fusion
Sure,
Plus?
I'd love to. Absolutely. Just pull it out of the holster, let it get up to 572 degrees, and it takes a long time. It actually is there now. It's about 5 to 10 seconds, and it's right at welding temperature. And then this particular one, I mean, obviously you're not necessarily going to have a full crack like this, but just give you an idea of, actually I'm going to just swap hands here. I get it up to the nice melting point. There you go, introduce the rod. And in a real situation, you would start melting the back of the plastic, do your repair on the back of the bumper first, and then flip it around and fill in anything necessary on the front side. But just for the demo purposes, I'm just going to do it this way. And that's it. I'll just melt it up here, and that's it. So we did about a 1-inch repair, obviously, maybe inch and a half, in about what, 30 seconds? So, I mean, you could repair something like this in probably 10-15 minutes and sand it down, and it's ready for paint. So this is our Electro Power, and it's a 5-ton push and pull. It's battery operated, gear driven, so there's no oil hydraulics in it. It's all gear driven. And this particular one, everyone likes it because it makes so much noise. And there's so many different applications that can be done with it. So you can pull end panels, you can pull frame rails. Obviously, if maybe a cell panel on the roof is hit up, you can pull it back down. I mean, it's really, it comes with 2 boxes of attachments. This is really as far as your creativity can go. That's where it goes.
It is battery powered. It's not wired.
It's not wired. It's battery powered right there. Drop it in. It also has a battery life indicator on there, so the techs can make sure that they're not just plugging in a dead battery. Something like this, I mean, we had it at SEMA this year, and it was running all day long, and it didn't run out the battery. So on a single charge, yeah. So reality, I mean, the techs are not using it for hours and hours on end, but there's no reason why they can't use it for a couple of days before they need to just drop this in the charger overnight and then plug it back in and make more noise. And that's it.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.